San Francisco faced major chaos over the weekend as a massive power outage left thousands of residents in the dark. The details in this report from our U.S. correspondent, Henny Espinosa.
Did you ever think that one day a self-driving car would pick you up? San Francisco's fleet is hundreds of autonomous cars strong, one of the largest concentrated robo-taxi operations in the world.
Hello, Henny.
I've ridden the Waymo car a few times, but I haven't gotten used to the idea that there is actually no human driver in the car I'm in.
The question is, can this car adapt to real-world driving conditions? When widespread blackouts hit San Francisco on the last weekend before Christmas, multiple videos posted on social media showed Waymo robo-taxis blocking intersections with hazard lights on as traffic lights stopped working. The outage, caused by a fire at a PG&E electric facility, knocked out power to roughly one-third of the city, affecting some 130,000 residents at its peak. Lani Bicali and Zenaida Cruz, Philams living in the Sunset area, were among those affected.
Marami kaming ganito. Talagang talagang maraming ganito kami dito sa bahay. Siguro mga 10 meron kaming ganito.
So nakatulong po siya?
Oo, kasi pinilitan namin lahat ng bagong battery siya.
So tamang-tama po nung nangyari, prepared kayo?
Oo, yan meron kami, pero sa pagkain mahirap dahil walang mainit. Puro malamig, malamig dito.
Ano naman po paggabi? Pag natutulog kayo, walang heater?
Walang heater.
Hassle kasi walang pagkain on time, hindi makapagluto, then walang ma-charge na cellphone. So, delikado pag kami emergency tapos walang cellphone, di ba? So, kailangan meron kaming mapag-charge. Ayan, mahirap maligo, walang mga hot water.
Power has since been restored in their home, but it took almost 2 days.
Never pa na-experience yung gantong katagal and gantong karaming affected na families.
Sana wag namang mangyari na to ulit. Ang haba-haba ng oras. Kami, 41 hours, wala kaming kuryente. Kaya nung nagka-kuryente kaninang alas 7, sabi ko, oh, thanks God, meron na kaming kuryente.
PG&E says power was restored to most of the city by Monday, but thousands are still without service. Mayor Daniel Lurie says the power outage cost San Francisco tens of millions of dollars. Henny Espinosa, Billionaire News Channel, San Francisco.